keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a bird feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Guys, we're here in Boston for APX 2018, and we're at the Cars and Coffee Club McLaren Boston. I'm going to show you all some of the cars that are here. There's a car that I met for the first time in Pebble Beach at Quail. That is Michael Fuchs' Senna, which is in green carbon. We're going to see that on the inside here, and a bunch of other cars. I think his purple 720S that we saw last year at Quail is going to be there as well. So let's just show you the sights and sounds from McLaren Boston's Cars and Coffee. Of course, I have along with me Roads Untraveled right there, and of course, you know Eli from Ignition 2, Powen, and Dan, Stay Humble. So let's show you the cars that are around here for this event. So if you guys remember, my daily driver before the i8 was an F10 M5. That thing was an absolute beast. Well, I'm looking at a bronze version behind me, and it's amazing. I mean, holy cow, that is pretty damn awesome. So if you remember, I actually drove the Acura NSX, almost crashed it too. It's pretty incredible. Check this color out. Love it, love it. But let's go see the cars that are the star of the show here, which are the Michael Fuchs cars. So if you recall, 2 years ago at Pebble Beach we saw the 720S, and then just a few days ago, parked a couple of cars away from the Purplemante, was his new Senna. So you got to tell me what you think. You know what I think about the Senna? It's just not my cup of tea. But the color combination for him is pretty damn sweet. So if you ever wanted to see what the underside of a 720S looks like, there it is. It's pretty flat, just to make sure that you've got full aerodynamics. It's pretty cool. It's kind of weird to kind of see a 720S in the air like this, but there you have it. And you have another 675 LT next to it. A blue 720S down there. It's pretty cool. The crazy brake calipers. These rotors are so enormous. And then of course you have the clam that comes from the back end of the car that's there. It's pretty neat. That's what a shop looks like. And of course you have Ignition too. You're school in people. Look at this color. You like that color? Guys, that's gonna bring this episode to an end, but it's not all over because there's a lot more stuff that we're gonna be doing today. And to be honest, there's a lot of stuff that we're gonna do tomorrow. So it may end up being all one video, or it may be separate videos. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. We'll see what else happens today, and then we'll decide, okay? But here is the end of Cars and Coffee for McLaren Boston. So we just arrived at our hotel, the Archer Hotel in Burlington or something. Just parked up the cars, or Wilmington, and we're gonna go into the hotel, go check in, check out the room, and go from there. And Dan is just look at that. Just awesome. I know. They let us. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh look, isn't that cool? We got APX stuff in our room. And we're just gonna. That's Chris, APX organizer. Hey, what's going on? All right, guys, so we are here at this restaurant. I forgot the name of it. Anyway, we've got our VIP fan meets for the APEX event 2018. I mean, there are so many folks that are here. They're really, really cool. They've come in to sort of meet their favorite YouTubers and kind of hang out. We're actually in the back there getting ready for dinner. I'll just give you a quick view. It's a really awesome restaurant that's here, and you can just see folks that are literally just talking and hanging out and getting to know each other. You've got Eli and stuff folks over there. So yeah, we're gonna go have dinner and get ready for the big event tomorrow, which is gonna be karting at K1 Speed in Wilmington. It's gonna be a blast, so lots of prizes, and unfortunately Purplemante didn't make it up this time. Kinda sucked, but we're gonna have to make another fan meet, and we're gonna have to get that car there. So see you soon. Talk to you in a bit. So guys, we just finished up dinner at Redstone, and so we just said goodnight to our VIP folks. It was such a blast meeting so many of them. These are guys that watched our videos. It was so nice hearing about their passion for cars and how they got to meet us and get to know us and what they're doing with their own lives. So that was actually really good. We're back in the hotel now, gonna hang out, the VIPs and some of the YouTubers, and then we're gonna get ready for APEX Boston 2008 tomorrow. We're gonna be karting and doing a lot of awesome stuff. So that's kind of what's up. Well guys, it's Sunday, the day of APEX, and it's time to pack up all the guys, the personalities, and take them over to K1 karting. Oh, beautiful. Got them going. What's up guys? Let's go. Oh, there he is. That's Pow winning and winning. There's Sam. Ignition tub. He's loading a video. What's up guys? All right, where's Chris's car? There it is. We are going to be taking the E60. There's Edward and the winding road. Chris Topher. All right, so we're taking the M5, 505. Well, this has been tuned by. Do I need to get mine?
I'm Rich Rebuilt.
Oh, you've been
Where's
rebuilt.
yours?
Mine's in the car. I gotta go get it. God damn it! I'm such an amateur, you know. What would I do without ignition tube?
That's what I have myself every day.
It's that YouTube money, huh? Okay, so we just made it to K1 Speed for APEX 2018. It was an awesome ride. I came down with Sarah. I'm gonna link her YouTube channel. You've got to go check her out. She is really, really awesome. Does some really good DIYs and edits. Look at her work. That's behind the scenes work right there. So we just came down in the E60 M5 I told you about. It's brand tuned. Freaking awesome. There's a Tedward.
Come on. I have a Brent tuning car.
Here's also a Brent tuning car. right over there. Go follow Tedward right there, right there. That E90, E92.
If you want to see really obnoxious videos driving fast in an E92 M3 with not such an obnoxious exhaust, I'm running the Corsa Echoback right now.
Exactly. And some interesting races in Mexico. Yeah,
Mexico's
in
my
Mexico.
favorite.
Mexico is it's your favorite town.
It's a great town.
It's a great town.
It's a great town in Massachusetts.
I know. It's literally 5 minutes away from anywhere you are.
That is Winding Road approved. It's been tested. If you'd like to see more on that, go to Winding Road Magazine and type Tedward Legacy.
There you go. And there's Marcus from Roads Untraveled as well. This is ignition time.
Oh, I thought your screen was broken. The polarization on there makes it look broken. Hi, internet.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you.
How's it going?
Just had to come and take a look. So nice. Love the wheels and the sparkle. Very, very good. So once we had a few more cars here, I'll come and I'll fly the drone. You can see all the great stuff in the parking lot. We'll go from there. But back inside the K1 Speed. And when did this SVR show up? Oh, very cool.
What's up?
I'm all sweaty.
APX gear. They're putting us to work, so we're gonna go sign some stuff for the fans who are coming in, and then do other stuff. But I don't know. It's time to get to work. K1. Gotta do work. That dude in blue. Oh my god. That girl in red. There you go. Alright. How much do you have? Going out. Yeah, and there it is. Alright, time to get to work. Guys, so we just finished up our laps this morning. We're just kind of hanging out. Everybody's chatting. We're about to get ready to go meet you guys, our fans. So one of these two here, over here, you know, legend here, Saab Kyle, and of course, you guys all better know JD Joyride TV. Yeah, exactly. Go check him out. We're actually going to do some stuff together. And Kyle, we've got to get together at some point. Good guys, do it. Sounds like fun. All right, guys. We're going to go meet you guys in just a few minutes for a meet and greet. It's going to be awesome. Right?
So we're gonna go for a ride in this Lambo soon, right?
Yeah, let's do it. We're going to make it happen. It's going to be...
I've never been in a Lambo, so it's gonna be exciting.
We're going to pop his Lambo, Jerry. How's that? Ready? Say hi to movies. And Rich Bills, come on, there you go. You guys, all right. And these guys. Here we go.
What's up, Doctor?
Who?
Doctor.
Who's he?
Well, he's treating me pretty well.
Oh, there you go.
Thomas, Scott, Mark, Ann, Brandon, and Constance to track Win Breeze.
In a minute.
Eddie took Doc M3 out, came into him and pit maneuvered him.
Boom.
Yeah, that's cheating.
Yeah.
Eddie's cheating.
So 23.6 is my best lap right there. Boom.
And if I crash it, I'm not too worried. This way.
sign it. I'll leave right there. Alright, wait guys, go look at the Motor Crush app. So just some of the cars here. We're going to be finishing up soon. Check out this crazy gimbal. That is just so nuts. All remotely being controlled by the guys over there. Just crazy stuff. Good stuff. Of course, I got to show you some of the other cars that I didn't show you earlier. The Tacoma, which is apocalypse ready. Check it out. This is where you want to be when the apocalypse hits. Snorkel, mainline, overland. Check this out. Look, it's got a cooler on board. Just crazy stuff. This is sick. The camper on top too as well. That's just awesome. That's what you need. Last race. And then we're going to come against competitors. It's going to be awesome.